Wake me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. You come into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the
Namaskar to all of you. This is Dr. Vasant Satpute, Principal of Later Meshwar Pudkar Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sonpet. I am before you today just because I would like to comment on the 3-day lecture series organized by this college along with the Kalika Devi Mahavidyalaya Shirur Kasar. The Zoology Department of both the colleges and Vivek Vahini Sonpet initiated to organize this venture on 3 different occasions. At the very outset, I congratulate all the organizing secretaries, that is Dr. Rankam SV, Dr. Pathan TS and our alumni like Avinash Agre, Dr. Mulgir and Shraddha Bhosle for taking the painstaking efforts to organize this activity through Facebook Live and making it viral through social media so that all the stakeholders will be benefited by this. The very first occasion was of the World Mosquito Day. This has been the practice of the Zoology Department of this college that each year it organizes innovative programs on this day to aware the people about the malaria, its causes, effects and remedies, and how to get prevented from its dangerous effects. On this occasion, Dr. P.S. Patil's speech on spreading malaria and its control measures was a very enlightening one. As a principal of this college, it's my prime duty and the prime responsibility to thank him for sparing his valuable time for this activity. The second lecture was organized on the occasion of the death anniversary of Dr. Narendra Dabholkar. We are very lucky to have the towering personality Dr. Bhoite sir, the former Vice Chancellor of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University Kolhapur, as the resource person to talk on the value education. Bhoite sirs, this talk impressed us all and we are receiving very positive comments from both the faculties. Thank you very much sir for sparing your valuable time on this occasion. The very third occasion was of the death anniversary of our founder president late Raja Bhauji Kadam Sahib. Shashikant Gavai, technical officer from National Institute and Animal Biotechnology, Hyderabad, talked on the current techniques in biotechnology. Gavai sirs, this talk no doubt was very innovative, lucid and simple to get understand for even the common man. Once again, I am very thankful to all the 3 resource persons, Dr. Patil sir, Dr. Bhoite sir and Dr. Gavai sir, for delivering a very nice talk on the given topics. And again, I congratulate my organizing team and hope that they will continue the same spirit in future also. Thank you very much.